Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with your Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022. So in order to do this, here I have this Gosun smart socket. I'm gonna plug it into the power source, and that way we'll be able to see the statistics of this charger on this phone right here. So now let's take the charger, plug it inside this Gosun smart socket, then the cable. Now we can go for the power source. And the tablet itself. We need to move to electric tab, and here there'll be statistics visible, and let's wait about 30 seconds till all of them stabilize. So here we have statistics. They are somehow stable, and that's how it looks like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.